Today we will learn about Roman numerals. We know that the ancient Romans used letters to write numbers. Even today we use Roman numbers in clocks, watches, and in our classrooms. Before we discuss about Roman numerals, we must know about the symbols of Hindu-Arabic numerals system. There are 10 symbols in Hindu-Arabic numeral system. These symbols are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All the Hindu-Arabic numbers are formed with these symbols by putting them in different order. Let us take 123 as a number in which 1, 2, and 3 are symbols, and we can call them each a digit. Now, the symbols of Roman numerals I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. There are 7 symbols in Roman numeral system. In Hindu Arabic system, the symbol I has its value as 1, V has its value as 5, X has its value as 10, L has its value as 50, C has its value as 100, and D has its value as 500, and M has its value as 1000. Here we have some counting numbers in Hindu Arabic numeral system and their respective Roman numbers. To write Hindu Arabic number in Roman number, we have to follow some rules. Now we will discuss about these rules one by one, taking first rule of repetition. When a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. In Hindu Arabic numeral system, I has its value as 1. The value of triple I is 1 into 3, which equals 3. Double X will be 10 into 2 is equal to 20. Triple C will be 100 into 3, which is equal to 300. Double M will be 1000 into 2, which is equal to 2000. Out of 7 symbols of Roman numeral system, only I, X, C, and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. The symbols V, L, and D are never repeated. Now, rule number 2, rule of addition. When a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. Let us take an example. Here it is Vi. V has its value as 5 and I has its value as 1. So Vi will be 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Similarly, Xi will be 11, Xv will be 15, Lx will be 60, Ci will be 101, Cx will be 110. Now, rule number 3, rule of subtraction. If the symbol of a smaller value is to the left of the symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the higher value. For example, IV. V has its value 5 and I has its value as 1. So IV will be 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Similarly, Ix is equal to 10 minus 1. Some other rules are the symbol X can be subtracted from L, M, and C only. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. The symbols V, L, D, and M cannot be subtracted from any other number. By using all these rules, let us convert Hindu Arabic numbers to their respective Roman numbers. Hindu Arabic number and their respective Roman numbers. In Hindu Arabic number 1 can be written as I. Now 2 can be written as 1 plus 1, which will be double I by the rule of repetition. 3 can be written as 1 plus 1 plus 1, and that will be triple I. To write 4 in Roman number, we can't repeat I 4 times, so we have to find in the symbol of Roman numeral system the combination of V and I so that we can make 4. By combining V and I, we can get 4. V is equal to 5 and I represents 1. If we put I to the left of V, then it will give us a value 5 minus 1, which will be 4. 5 can be written as V because V has its value as 5. 6 can be written as 5 plus 1. By rule of addition, it can be written as Vi. I is to right of V, so the value of I will add in the value of V, so it will be 6. 7 can be written as 5 plus 1 plus 1, that will be V double I. 8 can be written as 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that will be V triple I. 9 can be written as 10 minus 1, we can write it as Ix. I is to left of x, so the value of I can be subtracted from the greater value of x. 10 can be represented by the symbol x. Number 11 can be written as 10 plus 1, that will be xi. Number 12 can be written as 10 plus 1 plus 1, and that will be xii, rule of repetition and rule of addition. Number 13 can be written as 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that will be x triple I. Number 14 can be written as 10 plus 5 minus 1, that will be xiv. And 15 can be written as 10 plus 5, which is xv. Here are some more numbers. You have to pay attention on their order as well as in their combination. In this video, we have discussed about the rules of Roman numerals and conversion of Hindu Arabic numbers to Roman numbers. I hope that this video will be fruitful for all the viewers.